Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the basic colors, the kleuren, in Dutch. Let us start with the primary colors of the Dutch flag: red, white and blue. The top color of our flag is rood. 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 The color in the middle is wit. 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 And the color at the bottom is blauw. 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 Another important color for the Dutch is oranje. 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 This is the color of the House of Orange, our monarch. Here are some other colors in Dutch. Groen. 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 Geel. 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 Paars. 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 Bruin. 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 Zwart. 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 Roze. 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 Grijs. 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 I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!